Hey there! Today we're going to show you how to export from Keyshot to Foveate. Let's get started. So Keyshot is a super popular program, mostly used for industrial design, but a lot of people like to use it for retail design and interiors, kind of smaller scale projects. And it's really easy to export from Keyshot to Foveate. So all you have to do is go to the export mode here on the bottom. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to export the .glb file format. I like to enable file compression because this makes the file much smaller. What Keyshot does is that it will go ahead and compress some of the mesh data. It should look the same, but it's just much smaller. Typically it's lossless. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my name and path here. And I like to use high. So this sets a maximum resolution of 4K for your textures. And then what we're going to do is leave bake occlusion off. When you turn this on, it will try to bake these shadows into, I believe, the ambient occlusion map of a .glb, but we're just not going to do that in this case. So now all you have to do is press export. Create a new scene. Let's go ahead and name this Retail Design Adidas. And drag and drop this .glb in. Now what we can also do with Foveate is take a screenshot of the different render points of view. Oh, and our model is ready. So we'll go enter first person mode. So we can walk around this scene. And then it's being lit by an HDR now. We have a whole library here, so we're going to go ahead and change this. So what this ends up looking like, this export model without the occlusion, is kind of the performance mode version of your model in Keyshot. Okay, this one looks pretty good. I'll adjust some of the lighting here. And we're going to change the background. So I'll go ahead and make our first moment and adjust the FOV of this moment a little bit. We'll call this entryway view. Now what I can also do is take one of the screenshots I took in Keyshot and then upload it to Foveate so that it opens when someone comes to this moment. Go ahead and take that. Turn this off. Go to our moments and we'll go ahead and attach this render. Now, when someone comes to this moment, just click this button and it shows that render. So someone just gets a little bit more spatial context with the Foveate scene, and they can see the renders at the same time. So we have that other screenshot. It's going to show up in our assets list. Ignore the names for now. And then what we'll go ahead and do is make another moment. And then we'll attach that render. Now when someone comes to this moment, they'll be able to see this render. And then you just use arrow keys here to navigate the scene like a slide deck. So we'll jump to first person, maybe want to fly around to up here. Give this now we have a full interactive walkthrough. Go ahead and share this with our teammates. We can email invite someone, say our PM or something like that, client, collaborator, and we can even publish this fully online and publicly. And there you have it. It's a very short tutorial how to go from Keyshot to Foveate.